Georgia or somewhere, and they got this coffee for me. It's a nice thing of coffee. And open it up, easy for me to say. Wow, that smells good. Whew, gotta keep that freshness in there, put that top back on. But you know what? I have a Keurig coffee machine. It don't take this stuff. So what did I do? I figured it out. So I ordered me, and I'll put links below the video if you guys are interested in them, a coffee grinder, a one-touch coffee grinder from Amazon. And we're going to see how that works in just a minute. And then I also got Reusable K Cups. Now you can grind your own coffee, put them in these filters, put this in here after you grind it, and use it in your Keurig machine. How cool is that? So let's open up this box, get this coffee grinder out, put some coffee in it and grind it up and try it out. So now I've never used one of these. I've seen them used before, but take the top off. I've got my little scoop here for 1 tablespoon, I believe it is. I'm going to put 1, 2 tablespoonfuls in there. And like I said, this is new to me, so I'm just trying it out to see how it works. So I put it in there, and now I'm going to push this button. Let's see what it did. Oh my goodness, it chopped it up. Chopped it up real nice. You want to get in here and take a closer look? Let me see if I can get my camera to work. That's what it looks like. So now we got to get it out of here into one of these. So open that up. Got it in here. Now I'm going to put it in the little filter thing. Now that is, just going to level that off a little bit. Okay, that is 1, well, that's going to be less than 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to close this up. I'm going to go put it in the machine and see how it works. So let's go see how that works. So as you can see, there's a K cup in there from when I had coffee yesterday. And we're going to take that out and we're going to put one of the other ones in there. The reusable one. Now you just put it, drop it right in there. And you close the lid on it just like you would a K cup, I think. You push the size of cup you want, which is the large one for me. And let's see how it works. It's either going to work or it's not. This is my first try at the reusable K cups. Let's see how it works. It's coming out like it's supposed to. And it is done. Turn it off. Get my cup of coffee out. Put my little cup in there that catches the drips. And let's check out this cup of coffee. So now that's how you use the reusable K cups for your Cricut coffee machine. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So let's see how it tastes. Wow, what a good cup of coffee. Thanks to my kids, this is my birthday. You guys have a great day. Please subscribe to the video and give me a thumbs up. And I will have another video for you soon. You guys have a great day. Fresh ground coffee.